September was a rockin' month for markets. The S&P is in the red right now, but depending on where we close, it was on track for the best September percentage gain since 1939. So what are the hot funds you should be buying right now? Tom Lydon is ETF Trends editor, and he joins us with today's ETF Insider and his top 3 plays. Okay, lay it on us. What's your number 1 play?
Hi, Melissa. Yeah, you were talking about the average investor. Well, when they come back to the market, the brokers are going to surely profit. So U.S. broker-dealer ETF put out by iShares is really poised to do well. It's still 60% off its 2007 highs, but it's really in a great situation as we go into the fourth quarter, which will hopefully see higher highs.
Okay, so you think the average investor is going to get back in, and that's the key. I mean, what's your time horizon on buying, for example, the brokers?
Well,
is this through year end?
Well, that's it. I mean, right now, as we're at that pivotal 1150 mark on the S&P 500, if we break above that, if we have good election results, and also from an earnings standpoint, where 80% of companies beat expectations in second quarter, with results coming out in the third quarter, should continue to be positive. But we got to get the average investor back into the market. And when that happens, brokers will profit.
Technology was the leader in September, up 13.6%, but you like the tech spider. Would you still buy it here, and how come?
Still would. Their technology companies are flush with cash. We saw, again, better than expected earnings going forward. IT budgets are always the last to get cut and first to get increased. And the average investor is sitting on old laptops, 5 years old, where they used to turn them over every 2 years. Once they get that confidence to move forward, I think we'll see more spending on the tech side.
Hey, Tom.
And that's going to bode well.
Hey,
yes,
Tom, where's the gold ETF? I mean, the Fed is destroying the value of the dollar. In fact,
like emerging markets.
All this September stuff is up, but commodity indexes are up as much as stocks. So in real terms, you didn't get anything. Now, what are you saying about gold and commodities here?
Well, absolutely, Larry. We almost talk too much about commodities, but it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. We've got over $60 billion in gold ETFs and sitting in London and Swiss vaults. It's continuing to move forward, and when you can now go into major airports around the country to a gold ATM machine, I mean, it's
it's kind of crazy, right?
Okay.
It's awesome.
Oh, but Tom, just tell us real quick, you like emerging markets. Why is this your third hot fund to play right now?
Well, yeah, as we're trying to get traction here in the U.S., emerging markets have been on fire, enjoying high single-digit growth. But small-cap companies actually outperform large caps as you're coming out of recessionary times.
All right, Tom Lydon, terrific stuff. Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. Now.